Hi everyone, I am going to show you how to adjust your customer invoices for the PDFs that you send to your clients when you invoice them. The first thing that I'm going to do is navigate to my settings module here at the top. You can see I've got the highlighted gear, and I'm going to sit at my company profile and make sure that I have a logo for my company in the basic information. If I need to add a logo, I can click the edit button and I can add a logo right here. We've already got a logo added, so I'm going to go ahead and move on down to underneath the accounting module. I have customer invoices. Going in there, I can see here is a template or a preview of the template that we will be sending to our customers. You can see here's my logo. And then I've got the basic structure of an invoice put together here. And I want to pick and choose what my clients see when I send them my invoice. Here is where I can make those adjustments. So the document details, I can add in a title. I can add in logo details. If I want to move the logo around or if I want to resize it, I can. This logo is a little small, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and try and resize it a little bit. Let's make the width just a little bit bigger, and let's make the height a little bit bigger, and we'll update the preview, and you can see the image got bigger. I can also position it horizontally and vertically by adjusting these levers here. Once I'm settled on how my image looks, I can jump down and decide what I want my client to see: an organization name, address, phone number. If I add in the email and the phone number, they'll populate in there as well. I can continue moving down and select what things I would like them to see. We don't need a ship to address here, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that and update my preview. And you can see that the ship to address has been removed from the template. Continuing down, what are the details that I would like to have? Duration, all of those items. And then down into the item table, I can select how I want my table to appear. So I can remove a couple of items to make it just as easy to read as possible for my clients, and then update my preview. You can see now the table has been adjusted and only shows the columns that I want it to show. Once I finish with that, then the last thing that I need to adjust are the subtotal section, and I can pick and choose what I want to have in the system. So I'm going to go ahead and remove most of these things because they're not something that I need for my invoices. Save that, and now my preview is complete. So that's how you create and adjust your invoice template. Thanks.